Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This beautiful multi-family home is located in the quiet community of Porto Bello, Montego Bay. It boasts 9 bedrooms with 9.5 bathrooms spread across 3 levels. Features include timber cabinets, granite countertops, access to patio from each bedroom, double car garage with automatic door, automatic gates, video security system, AC units, and stunning view of lush mountains. The land area of this house is 15,105 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.